Cryptomonad. The cryptomonads are also known as cryptophytes. Cryptomonads are a group of algae, most of which have chloroplasts, which is to say, they are capable of photosynthesis. Within the classification originated by Cavalier-Smith in 1986, the cryptomonads are classified in the phylum Cryptophyta. The order Cryptomonadalis is equivalent to a number of synonyms, including Cryptomonadea, Cryptomonada, Cryptomonadinae, and Cryptomonadophyceae. Here is a small list of the typical genera of cryptomonads. The first portion of this program will discuss the general features of cryptomonads. The videos will focus on the specific genus Cryptomonas. In the ITIS classification of Cryptomonas, there are 38 accepted species. Here are the original drawings by Ehrenberg in his illustrations of 1838 of Cryptomonas ovata and Cryptomonas erosa. Cryptomonas is known to be a biflagellate, that is, it has two flagella. Careful examination of these drawings suggests that there may have been at some time doubt as to whether the two flagella were perhaps only a single flagellum. This is somewhat reminiscent of the situation in which the original reports concerning the flagellate Paranema were in doubt as to whether it was a flagellate or whether the anterior portion of the organism was simply a lengthy, narrow extension. There are many fine drawings of Cryptomonas species to be found on the internet and in the literature. Similarly, there are many fine photomicrographs at various magnifications of Cryptomonas in the literature and on the internet. Let us revisit these drawings for a moment in order to demonstrate some of the morphologic features of Cryptomonas. Cryptomonads vary in length between 5 and 40 microns. They are asymmetrically truncated anteriorly. There is a moderately deep cellular invagination on the ventral side. The proximal portion of this invagination is known as the vestibulum. This invagination, which is sometimes referred to as a furrow gullet or simply as the gullet, is lined with ejectosomes, which sometimes have the appearance of dark dots distributed at intervals along a dark strip or a thick, dark string. Cryptomonas has two flagella, which visibly arise subapically from a vestibular pocket at its asymmetrical anterior end. The two flagella of Cryptomonas are invariably of unequal or subequal length. The longer one is the locomotor flagellum. As is evident in this drawing, the flagella are anatomically located in the right side of the vestibulum. At the point of insertion of the flagellar roots deep in the vestibulum, there are four associated supporting microtubular structures. In reviewing drawings of Cryptomonas, at first glance, one might think that the artist's reproduction of the flagella, reduced to a certain size, produced artifactually irregular appearing flagella. In actuality, this irregularity is intended to represent the fact that the flagella have mastigonemes, which are laterally projecting hair-like processes approximately 17.6 nanometers in length. In German, these objects are referred to as Flimmer or Flimmern, meaning flicker or glimmer. They are also known as flagellar hairs or tinsel hairs. It has been postulated that the mastigonemes improve the locomotor capability of the flagella by increasing their effective surface area. In some of the photomicrographs taken from the video to follow, the flagella appear widened and somewhat fuzzy and out of focus. This appearance may be caused by the apparent thickening of the flagellar image by the presence of the mastigonemes. Parenthetically, it may be added that the tips of the mastigonemes themselves show the presence of a few small threads, which may possibly be best seen on electron microscopy. The body of the organism is enclosed by a periplast or cell envelope, which is composed of three layers: an outer proteinaceous layer which faces into the environment, a middle layer which is the cell's plasma membrane, and an innermost proteinaceous layer which faces into the cytoplasm. The contractile vacuole of Cryptomonas is almost always depicted as being immediately to one side of the vestibulum into which it empties. The gullet of Cryptomonas is lined with ejectosomes, which are fundamentally a form of explosive trichocyst. When triggered, they tend to jerk the organism in a reverse backward direction, away from a contacted stimulus. In some species of Cryptomonas, rather than appearing like a series of black spheres strung along a black ribbon, the ejectosomes are collected in a large number in a well-organized field. The nucleus tends to appear like an irregular sphere located in midbody. Sometimes a single nucleolus is visible as a black dot centrally located in the nucleus. Some of the particles in the periplastidial space may be starch granules. On the viewer's right is a drawing of a Cryptomonas species from Casvi Planktonopas. On the viewer's left, this drawing is superimposed upon a photomicrograph from the video to follow. Fading of the drawing will allow direct comparison.